2025, the year of financial triumph. Are you ready to make 2025 your richest year yet? It's time to take charge of your money and build the life you deserve. No more dreaming about financial freedom. This is the year we make it happen. We're diving into practical steps, proven strategies, and the winning mindset you need to win with money. Get ready to transform your finances and embrace a future filled with abundance. This isn't about luck or get-rich-quick schemes. This is about taking control, making smart choices, and building a solid foundation for lasting wealth. We'll tackle debt, unlock the power of investing, and empower you to make informed financial decisions. Get ready to break free from financial stress and create a life of financial peace and prosperity. It's time to rewrite your financial story. This year, we're exchanging debt for dollars, fear for confidence, and uncertainty for a rock-solid plan. Get ready to experience the joy of financial freedom. Let's dive in and make 2025 your most financially rewarding year yet. Before we talk numbers, let's talk mindset. Building wealth starts in your mind. Believe you can achieve financial freedom. Your thoughts become your reality. Ditch the negativity and embrace a positive money mindset. Think of it this way: your mindset is the soil where your financial seeds will grow. A negative mindset is like rocky soil. It's tough for anything to thrive, but a positive mindset, that's fertile ground, ready to nurture your financial dreams into reality. Focus on abundance, not scarcity. Believe in your ability to earn, save, and grow your wealth. Remember, your thoughts influence your actions. A positive money mindset will empower you to make smart choices and stay committed to your financial goals. It's time to ditch the limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset that attracts wealth. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Financial literacy is your roadmap to riches. It's about understanding how money works, from budgeting to investing, debt management, and beyond. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Don't let financial jargon intimidate you. We're breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. We'll explore the ins and outs of budgeting, saving, investing, and more. Knowledge is your secret weapon in the fight for financial freedom. Think of financial literacy as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your destination, financial freedom. With a solid understanding of financial concepts, you'll be able to navigate the world of money with confidence. You'll make smarter decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and watch your wealth grow. Section 4. Action Plan, Concrete Steps for a Wealthier You. It's time to turn knowledge into action. Here's a clear plan to make 2025 your richest year. Crush that debt. Debt is a financial anchor holding you back. Prioritize paying it off, starting with the smallest balance. As you conquer each debt, you'll free up more money to save and invest. Build your emergency fund. Life throws curveballs. An emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses, provides a safety net and peace of mind. Start with $1,000, then build from there. Invest like a pro. Investing is your ticket to long-term wealth. Define your goals, explore options like 401ks and IRAs, and start investing consistently. Time is your greatest asset. Maximize employer matches. Free money? Yes, please. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, contribute enough to get the full match. It's an instant return on your investment. Embrace the 15% rule. Aim to invest at least 15% of your gross income for retirement. This consistent investment will pave the way for a comfortable and secure future. Snowball your debt. List your debts from smallest to largest balance. Attack the smallest one first, then roll that payment amount into the next debt. This method builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Section 5. Family Finances, Building a Legacy Together. Financial success is even sweeter when shared with loved ones. Make money a family affair. Openly discuss finances, goals, and dreams. Involving your family creates a supportive environment and fosters financial responsibility. Imagine the power of aligning your financial goals as a family unit. Work together to create a budget, tackle debt, and build a secure future for generations to come. Family financial discussions are an investment in your family's future. Remember, communication is key. Encourage open and honest conversations about money. Teach your children about financial literacy from a young age. By making finances a family affair, you're not just building wealth, you're building a legacy. Section 6. A lifetime of prosperity awaits. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to make 2025 your richest year yet. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your wins, and never stop learning. Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of stress but a tool to achieve your dreams. Picture yourself debt-free, financially secure, and living life on your own terms. This is the power of taking control of your finances. Now go out there and make it happen. Embrace the challenge, stay committed, and watch as you unlock a lifetime of financial prosperity. The future is yours to create.